Have a nice day, all. Today we talk about Python case sensitivity. Uh, what is this? What does it mean? In programming, there are some languages they are case sensitive languages. For example, let us take C, C++, Java, C Sharp, Ruby, Python. These languages are case sensitive languages. Also, there are some languages they are case insensitive. What are case insensitive languages? For example, ADA, Fortran, SQL. Those languages are case insensitive. First, let us take some examples. If I write a variable like this, name, I've written this variable name using only simple letters. I give a particular variable name here, particular value here. I'll give a Tom. Now that's a variable called Tom. Then again I create another variable that is also name. There I'll give name John. Then these two variables create two different memory location in your RAM. Here the meaning of the variable name is same. Here name, it has been written using only simple letters. Here name, it has been written using only one capital letter. The beginning letter, it is capital. Now what will happen if I run this? I run this program. Sorry, I will print something here. I will print these variables. Print. I print name first. Sorry, this one first. Secondly, I run print this one name. Okay. Now this will create. This will give two different inputs. Then let us run this one. Okay. Then see. Then in the RAM, there are two variables. There are two memory locations. If I go to the whiteboard, what has happened here in your RAM? In the RAM, there are now two memory locations. One is called name. Here simple name. This one. The other memory location, now here Tom is here. Okay, Tom is here. Next one, in this memory location there's another variable that is John. Okay, John. But here this name is, the beginning letter is capital N. Now this one. Okay, now you can see when you write like this, it is called case sensitive variable names. That means if you write a variable, next one, I'll give another example for your easiness. Then if I write simple B equals 2045, then capital B equals 89. Again this will create another two variables in your random access memory. So what you want to know is case sensitivity means, Python case sensitivity means it recognizes these memory locations as two different memory locations. Here name, it has been written using only simple letters, but here the starting letter, the beginning letter is capital, but this will create two memory locations. Clear? This is called Python case sensitivity. Okay, uh, then today this is the lesson I wanted to teach you today. Thank you very much.